Dropshipping is a streamlined business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products directly to consumers without holding any inventory. As an increasingly popular approach among online businesses, dropshipping offers a low-risk and accessible entry point into the world of e-commerce, especially for teens eager to explore entrepreneurship. The model's appeal lies in its simplicity and efficiency. Sellers partner with suppliers who fulfill orders on their behalf, eliminating the need for upfront investment in stock and reducing the barriers to starting a business. This makes dropshipping an attractive option for young entrepreneurs looking to dip their toes into online retail without the financial and logistical burdens typical of traditional retail models. Embarking on a dropshipping venture begins with the critical step of choosing a niche that not only interests you, but also possesses a viable market demand. This foundational decision influences all aspects of your business, guiding your choice of products and the suppliers you partner with. The next pivotal step is identifying reliable suppliers whose products and delivery standards can uphold your brand's reputation. Equally important is selecting the right e-commerce platform, one that aligns with your business goals, supports your operational needs, and enhances your customers' shopping experience. The synergy of these elements lays the groundwork for a successful dropshipping business. Setting up an online store is an exciting phase in the dropshipping journey, encompassing the design, functionality, and user experience of your website. An engaging and user-friendly website design is crucial for making a positive first impression and encouraging visitors to browse your products. Adding products to your store involves not just listing them, but also creating appealing product descriptions and high-quality images that resonate with your target audience. Furthermore, integrating reliable payment methods and clearly stated policies regarding shipping, returns, and privacy are essential for building trust and ensuring a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Each of these steps contributes significantly to the foundation and potential success of your dropshipping business. Marketing plays a pivotal role in the growth and sustainability of your dropshipping business. Leveraging social media platforms offers an invaluable channel to interact with your target audience, providing a space to share content that resonates with your customers and showcases your products. Email marketing, characterized by its tailored communication strategies, enables you to engage directly with your audience, promoting deals, new arrivals, and other content that encourages repeat business. Moreover, optimizing your online store for search engines, or SEO, increases your visibility by ensuring that potential customers find your store when searching for your products online. Together, these strategies form a comprehensive approach to attract and retain customers, driving traffic and sales to your store. In the realm of dropshipping, managing orders and fostering positive customer service are cornerstones for achieving sustained success and encouraging repeat business. Handling orders efficiently necessitates a seamless coordination with your suppliers to ensure that products are accurately fulfilled and shipped in a timely manner. Equally, dealing with suppliers requires clear communication and a solid partnership to address any issues that arise swiftly, minimizing impact on your customers. Providing excellent customer service is about more than just resolving issues. It's about creating an engaging, responsive, and helpful experience for each customer. By prioritizing these aspects, you build trust, loyalty, and a positive reputation that encourages customers to return, driving long-term success.